In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your templates once you are ready to go to print. So if you're done with the invite or whatever design that you have, you're going to go to share. And depending on what you are going to do with the file is going to determine how you want to save this. So if you are going to share this invite just digitally or put it on your website or email it or text it, then all you need to do is hit the download button. And I was just doing a PNG. It would be a smaller size, but the resolution would be good, and you would just hit download. And it will automatically go into your downloads folder. Another way is if you know that you are going to be sending it to the printers, then the printers would prefer a PDF file. So you're going to go to download. You're going to go here to this drop down menu for the file type. Go to PDF print best for printing. And what most printers want is that they want crop marks and bleed. So that means anything that goes beyond the printable line, they would need that. It would be 0.25 all around each side. Plus, it would give them crop marks. So that would be the best way for PDF print. And normally RGB would be okay. You can select CMYK is better, especially if you have larger prints, but that does require the Pro account. And then you would hit download. Now, if you are printing at home, you can also do it this way, or you can also do it without the crop marks if you know where you're going to be cutting it and everything. So that you have both options. Another option is if you are printing at home, but you want to have 2 to a page, because this one's a 5x7, so you could actually fit 2 to a page. So what I would recommend is doing a PNG, saving it as a PNG, and then afterwards you're going to go into the other templates that I have offered that give you 5x7s, 2 per page, and then you're going to input it in there. So you can go to my other link, which will show you how to do that. Thank you.